My personal experience, what for me made it exceptional actually, I think the fact that in WCP you can find a variety of sessions for everyone's taste and interest. For me specifically, I love the interactive session, the original sessions, such as the quiz, the WCP quiz, because actually it brings people from different backgrounds and countries to sit together, to play together in teams, and to learn how to efficiently work together. I love also the 3 minutes competition sessions because it enables early career psychiatrists to promote their projects and to write an article. And I love also the difficult cases because that's very stimulating. It's about interacting, discussing together with experts. So I would say that what I love the most about the WCP, that it also provides a lot of choices of didactic tools in the sessions, plenary, symposia, meet the expert sessions. That's very comprehensive.